In this video, we'll review how to make our signature wraps. Make sure you learn and follow the formulas exactly in order to ensure a great flavor in every bite and a great fit for all of the ingredients. Now let's begin. Preparing the Chipotle Southwest Steak and Cheese Signature Wrap. Place a tomato basil wrap on deli paper. Next, place 2 large round scoops of steak, which equates to 5 ounces, a foot-long portion, into a silicone tray. Remember, Subway signature wraps contain a foot-long portion of meats along with a 6-inch portion of specific vegetables. Heat the steak in the speed oven on setting steak strips 2 6 inches, 1 12-inch. You can also heat the steak on setting number 6 in your microwave, but the speed oven method is preferred. While the steak is heating, add the specific veggies to the wrap. We'll start our build here toward the bottom third of the wrap so that it will be easy to roll up later on. Guacamole comes first. It gives this signature wrap a great flavor. Add 1 number 30 size scoop, 1.25 ounces, onto the bottom third of the wrap. Remember to spread it evenly so that each bite gets flavor. Next, add half an ounce of shredded Monterey cheddar evenly on top of the guacamole. Then come specific veggies. Add 0.75 ounces of lettuce, 3 tomato wheels, 3 green pepper strips, 0.25 ounces of onions, and 3 jalapeno slices. That's it. Remember to follow this formula. If you add too many extra veggies, it'll make the wrap hard to close later on. Next, add 3 passes of Chipotle Southwest sauce on top of the vegetables. Now it's time for the steak. Carefully remove the heated steak from the speed oven using our new optional grippers, or tongs. Now comes the fun part, folding the wrap. It's actually quite easy once you practice a bit. First, picture the wrap in 4 sections. You'll fold the sides up toward the center first, then from the bottom up over the ingredients to the top. Okay, here we go. Slowly. Fold the left and the right sides of the wrap toward the center, and then fold the bottom of the wrap up over the ingredients. Tuck the end of the wrap tightly underneath the meat. Give it a good firm tug. Now, roll the ingredients tightly from the bottom to the top. The tighter the better. As you can tell, this is why it's very important to follow the formulas for signature wraps exactly. Our formulas make sure the wrap can close easily. Now finish off the wrap by cutting it in half on a 45-degree angle. If the customer plans to eat in, they'll carefully place the 2 pieces on top of each other in a dining basket lined with sub-wrap and serve with 2 napkins. If the wrap is for takeout, carefully wrap the pieces in 6-inch sub-wrap as usual and serve with 2 napkins. Turkey, bacon, and guacamole signature wrap. Place a tomato basil wrap on deli paper. Next, place 4 bacon slices into the silicone tray and heat in the speed oven on setting Heat Toast 12-inch. You can also heat the bacon in the microwave on setting number 2 for 30 seconds, but the speed oven method is preferred. While the bacon is heating, add 1 number 30 scoop of guacamole onto the bottom third of the wrap. Spread it evenly to ensure there's flavor in every bite. Next, place 8 slices of turkey in rows of 2 on top of the guacamole. Add 2 slices of provolone cheese. Carefully place the heated bacon on top of the cheese. Next, you'll add the following specific veggies: 0.75 ounces of lettuce, 3 tomato wheels, and 0.25 ounces of onions. Add 3 passes of ranch dressing across the top. Then fold the signature wrap. Fold the sides toward the center, Fold the bottom up towards the top. Tuck in the end under the meat tightly. Don't be afraid to tug. Last of all, cut the wrap in half on a 45-degree angle. For dining guests, place the 2 pieces carefully into a dining basket lined with sub-wrap and serve with 2 napkins. For takeout guests, you'd wrap the pieces in 6-inch sub-wrap as usual and serve with 2 napkins. Preparing the savory rotisserie-style chicken Caesar signature wrap. Place a spinach wrap on deli paper. Next, place a foot-long portion of rotisserie-style chicken into a silicone tray. This is 2 oval scoops for 6 ounces. You'll heat the tray in the speed oven on setting steak strips 2 6-inches, 1 12-inch. Hey, edit room! We've seen how to build a signature wrap a couple of times now. Let's speed this one up a bit.